Till now in integration, we have in type 3. First type, application of chain rule. So in application of chain rule, we talked about whether when can we apply the chain rule in integration. So if the term that is written instead of x in the question is a linear term, only then the chain rule will be applicable, otherwise it won't be applicable. We apply the normal formula. The term that is written instead of x, the derivative of that term will be written in the denominator while we are applying chain rule in integration. Second type was rationalization. In rationalization, we have two needs. First, that your denominator should have two terms plus or minus. And after the application of rationalization, that means after using a square minus b square in the denominator, your x should get cancelled. Only then will be able to apply rationalization. Type 3 was substitution. In substitution, there is no fixed thing. Which term should be taken as t? We first take a term to be t according as if it's a very bad looking term, complicated term, or if the derivative of that term, you can see it right there in the question. Then we take that term to be t, differentiate it, change the entire question into t, and then integrate. So as I said, why in chain rule I was differentiating and why was I you writing that in the denominator? To explain that, if you can see, please listen to me first. Suppose I'm applying 5x minus 3. Can I not do this from using chain rule? Can we do this using chain rule?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So rather than that, I'm showing you a little substitution. So in substitution, I'm taking 5x minus 3 to be t, the term that is written instead of x. Differentiating. Why am I differentiating? Because my first priority is to change dx into dt. Agree? So differentiation 5 dt by dx. So dx becomes dt by 5. Yes or no? So dt by 5. Yes, that's why when we are applying chain rule, we differentiate the term that is written instead of x and write it in the denominator. Because if I would have been applying substitution, the derivative part comes below dt. And why am I differentiating? Because I have to change dx into dt. Is it understood? Then the question becomes root t. So this is what I was applying. Treat it as root x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. In addition to that, the term that is written instead of x, the derivative of that term, we are write it in the denominator. Reason being, because whatever you assume as t, we have to differentiate it in order to change dx into dt. And we bring that term below dt while substituting. That is why while applying integration, we use the chain rule term in the denominator. Then it becomes t power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. So that is 2 upon 15, 5x minus 3 to the power 3 by 2. If we would have directly applied chain rule here, what we would have done? We would have treated this as root x. The term that is written instead of x is 5x minus 3. So root x is x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. The term that is written instead of x is 5x minus 3. The derivative of that term is 5 and that will be written in the denominator. So I guess it matches 2 upon 15, 5x minus 3 to the power 3 by 2. Online clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Write this. Did you understand why we were differentiating and writing in the denominator while doing chain rule? Then continuing type 3. The continuing type 3.
हम तो दोनों तरीके से भी कर सकते हैं ना मैम।
हाँ हाँ, मैंने कहा ना ये टर्म इसलिए दिखाया कि चेन रूल लगाना, तो चेन रूल इतना लंबा क्यों करना है कि क्यों हम लोग
हाँ
चेन रूल में डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे हैं उस टर्म को और क्यों हम लोग उसको नीचे लिख रहे हैं, उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन था।
तो अगर सपोज रूट के अंदर एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वन है
नहीं, देन नॉट पॉसिबल, इवन
क्यों
इफ यू
मैम?
टेक टी इट वोंट बी पॉसिबल। करो, 2x आएगा, अब कैसे लिख देगा dt बाई 2x, x और t दोनों।
अच्छा अच्छा हाँ हाँ ओके।
डन। Done? Done? 19. We are continuing substitution. Huh? Right. What should I take T? What should I take T?
XEX.
Thank you. Applying product rule x e power x ex differentiation of x is 1. Taking ex common. So the entire numerator that becomes dt and our denominator, the term becomes t. So dt by root t. What's the integration?
2 root T.
Resubstituting. Any doubt? Guys, any doubt?
No.
Apply. 1 upon x log of log x. Whatever looks the most complicated or whoever, whichever terms the derivative is there, take that to be. What should I take T? Which term should I take T?
Log X.
Log x. So treating it as log x. So 1 by x. Instead of x, I have log x. So 1 by x. Dx by x log x. This is dt. So now this and this term becomes dt. And the rest of the term is t. Yes. What is dt by t?
Log T.
Log mod. The substitute t. Log mod, log of log x. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt? Guys, clear?
ma'am.
Right. Ex a plus b ex to the power 6. Try this. Try all. All are substitution. Can we check the sums? Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
21. What should I do? What should I do here?
Power x equal to
A plus b e power x equal to, differentiating it, a becomes 0, b e power x equal dt by dx. So ex dx will become dt by b. B is constant, so I can write it. So ex and dx, this will be dt by b. B goes outside, and this is dt. This will become t to the power 6. So answer is t power 7 by 7 plus 6. So 1 by 7b, a plus b e power x by 7 plus. Does it match?
yes, ma'am.
Next, 22. Yeah. Now, here 3 plus log x equal to. So log x becomes 1 by x. So I have dx by x to become dt here. So these two terms become dt. And this is under root t. So t power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. So twice 3 plus log x whole power 3 by 2 by 3 plus c. Does it match?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
23. What should I do?
Take x square minus log x as t.
Good. So this becomes 2x minus 1 by x. Taking LCM, 2x square minus 1 by x dx will be dt. So this entire term becomes dt. Hana. And
ma'am.
below it is t. Yes. So integration will be
Log mod t. Log mod t.
replacing it back log x square minus log x plus c. Does it match?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, 24. Have you done this sum?
Yes, ma'am. Let
What should I do?
bx minus e raised to minus x pt.
Entire denominator as t. Ex is ex. E power minus x, chain rule becomes minus 1. So ex plus e
मैम
power
न्यूमरेटर नहीं
minus.
लिख सकते मैम टी
न्यूमरेटर लोगे तो डिनोमिनेटर में नीचे dt थोड़ी लिखोगे.
अच्छा हाँ
Dx equal dt. So my entire numerator becomes dt and denominator is t. So this will be log mod t. So log mod ex minus e power minus x plus. Is it okay?
Yes,
Mahi,
ma'am.
did you
Yes.
get these answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, 25th question is integration 1 by 1 plus e power minus x. What should I do here?
Take minus x as t.
Okay, there are two things we can do. Let's see. First, what I can do is I can write this as 1 upon ex. I cannot take it directly to the numerator because there's a plus sign in between. Is it okay till here? Taking LCM. Now, if I take ex plus 1 as t, we get ex. So the entire numerator becomes dt. This is t, which will be log mod t. Is it clear? No. There's one more way, we'll do it later on, but right now you won't be able to do that. Another substitution, because the type that you require is quadratic. I haven't taught you that. So we'll revisit this sum once I teach you that variety. Done? Guys, done?
Yes, ma'am.
डिनोमिनेटर को कैसे dt बनाए? Guys, done till here? All of you? Type 4. Type 4 is polynomial by polynomial. Now, what is a polynomial? Polynomial means any algebraic expression where the power of the variable is a whole number. So a constant is a polynomial, x is a polynomial, x square, x cube, x power 4 are all polynomials. Root x is not a polynomial, x power 1 by 2 is not a polynomial, x power 1 4 by 3 is not a polynomial, 1 by x is not a polynomial, because 1 by x means x power minus 1, not allowed. So polynomial is that algebraic expression where the power of the variable has to be a whole number. You cannot have fractions and decimals and root overs. Yes. So if such two terms are getting divided, if we are dividing two polynomials, then what we will do? There are two varieties. Please understand first. Case 1. When degree of numerator is more than degree of denominator. If that is the case, like for example, in numbers, we used to do 13 by 4. 13 is a larger number, so you can properly divide this. So 13 by 4 can be written in mixed fraction as 3 1 by 4, or I can write this as 3 plus 1 by 4. Yes or no? So the entire fraction 13 by 4, the entire fraction 13 by 4 can be written as 3. 3 is quotient, plus 1 is the remainder, upon 4 is divisor. Yes, that is what I'll be also doing. If you have cubic by quadratic, if I have cubic by linear, if I have power 4 by power 2, then if the power of the numerator is higher than or equal to also, if the power of the numerator is higher or equal to the denominator, then we will do long division. We will do long division. And the entire fraction, entire question will be written as quotient plus remainder by divisor. For example, I give you x square plus 2x minus 1 upon x minus 1. The degree of numerator is 2. The degree of denominator is 1. What I'll do is I'll do long division in the fair, not in rough. X square minus, the sign will always change. Now this cannot be my remainder because the powers of the dividing number and this is same. If you are dividing by x power 1 minus 1, your remainder can only be constant. If you are dividing by x power 2 quadratic, your remainder can be either linear or constant, smaller than what you are dividing. So plus 3, 3x minus 3, sign change. So this entire fraction can be written as quotient plus remainder by divisor. Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this can be integrated very easily. Integration of x
Square by 2.
plus 3,
3x.
then waiting.
Log x minus 1.
From chain rule, I'm getting 1 itself, so it doesn't matter. Yes. So if the degree is higher, then we'll do long division. Even if the degree is equal, yes, I'll still do long division. So 2x minus 7. So in 2x, what should you multiply to get 5x? In 2x, what should you multiply to get 5x? 5 by 2.5. So 5 by 2, multiplying with the entire term. This is 5x minus 35 by 2. Sign change. Yes. So I'm getting minus 3 plus 35 by 2, which is 29 by 2. Yes. Is it okay? Quotient plus remainder by division. Any doubt? So 5 by 2 integration.
5 by 2x.
Then 29 by 2 outside. What is the integration of 1 upon 2x minus 7?
Log 2x minus 7 by 2.
By chain rule, I'm getting again a 2. So it is 5x by 2 plus 29 by 4 log mod 2x minus 7. Any doubt? अगर मैं पावर 1 से डिवाइड कर रही हूँ तो कांस्टेंट आएगा रिमाइंडर. पावर 2 से करूंगी तो मेरा रिमाइंडर लीनियर या कांस्टेंट आएगा. एक पावर छोटा होना पड़ेगा कम से कम. नहीं हो. बताओ कैसे किया. x प्लस 1 x माइनस 1 x स्क्वायर माइनस 1 नहीं हो.
मैम तो
नहीं हो
ये
रहा इसका.
खाली दो केस में अप्लीकेबल मैम, जब ऊपर का डिग्री ज्यादा हो और इक्वल हो,
या फिर बराबर.
और
बट
नहीं हो तो
जा रही सी ऊपर का नहीं. केस 2, if the degree if the degree of numerator is smaller, then either jugaad, that is balance, or some other type. Later on that we are going to study. We haven't studied till now, but type 5, type 6, type 7, all those can also be applicable. So this particular does not have a fixed variety like long division. You have to either see that if the power is smaller, say 1 by quadratic, then we'll have type 4. If it is linear by quadratic, we'll have type 7. So some other type may be applicable, or we are going to do jugaad, that is balance. What do I mean by that? Suppose my question is this. So degree of the numerator 0, there is no x. Degree of denominator is square, quadratic. So the degree of numerator is smaller than the degree of denominator. So jugaad or balance means there are two terms in the denominator, x and x plus 1. What you need to do is you need to use them either one or both to get the numerator. So can I write my numerator 1 as the sum, difference, product or division of these two terms? Can I write my numerator as the sum, or difference or product or multiplication of my denominator terms. What can I do?
Plus x minus x.
I can do x plus 1 minus x. Can I do that? I have used the denominator term. The denominator had two terms, x and x plus 1, in order to get 1. Can I do this?
So,
Now, we are dividing them individually. First term minus the second term. One of the term gets cancelled. This is 1 upon x and this is 1 upon x plus 1. First one will be
log mod x
minus
log x plus 1.
chain rule is 1. Now, you can leave it here, but log a minus log b. Log a by b, it looks better. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes,
If I
ma'am.
give you a term of this variety,
मैम एक सेकंड में ऊपर वाला दिखा सकता हूँ टेप थोड़ा ऊपर में
I give you time to write.
हाँ ठीक है
So the degree of numerator is 2. The degree of denominator is 4. So can I use the denominator to get numerator? Can I use the two terms of my denominator to write the numerator?
Yes, ma'am, by adding the both.
Yeah. So I can write this as x square plus 1. Now dividing them individually. So gone, gone. Okay, my fault. My fault, my fault. I haven't taught you, but once we learn the later varieties, you'll be able to. So I can write this as x plus 1. Same. Substitute individually dividing them. Now, these two are gone. 1 upon x plus 1. These two are gone. 1 upon x. So formula log mod x plus 1 plus log mod x. Any doubt? Some other type? So this will be log a into log b, log ab. Guys, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Note down. Question number 30. X square plus 2x into x cube minus x by x plus 1. Try.
मैम इसको एक्सप्लेन करना है
Sorry. Hmm? What will you do? First multiply. Now, long division. But while applying long division, make sure that it is in descending order. Power 5, power 4, power 3, power 2. It has to be in order. x power 4. नहीं, plus x cube minus 2x square. Oh, completely divisible. Is it completely divisible? Hmm? So the remainder is 0. So it will only be quotient plus a remainder by divisor will become 0. Integrate.
हम एग्जाम में डर जाएंगे वगैरह से आंसर के तो मतलब
पर इतना
कॉन्फिडेंस
सा छोटा सा था एमसीक्यू में ही होगा. 0 by anything is 0. So x power 5 by 5, x power 4 by 4 minus 2 x cube by 3 plus 3. Done? Guys, done? Online?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm? क्या आया? थर्टी वन. 3x minus 5, 2x minus 7. Right. नहीं हुआ. LCM, long division. Will multiply it by 3 by 2. Px minus 21 by 2. So minus 5 plus 21 by 2, that is 11 by 2. So quotient plus remainder by divisor. 3 by 2 becomes 3x by 2. 11 by 2 goes outside. 1 upon 2x minus 7. Log mod 2x minus 7 by chain rule 2. Online, does it match?
Yes, ma'am.
Done? Integration x power 5 by x minus 2. Long division. X power 4 plus x cube plus x squared plus x plus 1. Remainder is 1. So quotient plus remainder by divisor. Online, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Integrating, it is x power 5 by 5, x power 4 by 4, x power 3 by 3, x power 2 by 2 plus x plus log mod x minus 1 plus c. Is it okay?
हाँ मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
33. खाली क्वेश्चन हटाए हम 12 में नहीं है? देख लो शर्म लाग भेज ही दिया तो पूरा ही देख लो. Try. Which case? Case 2, degree of numerator is smaller. नीचे में दो टर्म है. Use that to get 1. So how can you get 1? By subtracting them. So I can write 1 as x minus 3 minus x minus 4. Yes or no? Individual division. In the first one, x minus 3 gets cut. Second one, x minus 4 gets cut. So log x minus 4 minus log x minus 3. Log a minus log b. Log a by. Any doubt? Online, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
That's it for today.